Welcome to Baja, where wellness is a lifestyle and nature is your sanctuary. Redefine personal care with native botanicals and conscious treatments. From anti-aging therapies to natural rejuvenation, discover timeless beauty. Let Baja's cuisine nourish you from within, mindfully prepared, nutritionally inspired. Own your wellness journey with real estate designed to restore and inspire. Center your body and mind with ancient practices and modern movement. Explore a new model of care, proactive, personal, and powered by data. Honor ancient traditions with holistic remedies rooted in Baja's cultural heritage. Immerse in sensorial rituals designed to revive and restore. Experience the ancient magic of Baja's thermal and mineral springs. Optimize your performance with wellness-embedded workspaces. Rediscover clarity, calm, and connection, one breath at a time.
In Baja, wellness isn't a trend, it's a way of life.